Hey there you guys! Good morning! Ayan, it's my second day here in Qatar. It's a very clear morning. And syempre, ganda ng araw. So ayan, we're on our way to brunch. Kasi, ewan ko, sarap ng tulog ko last night. Hindi na ako nagising for breakfast. And sakto lang din kasi may work later si Miles. So we can have our brunch. Hey guys! So sorry, nakat yung intro ko. Kasi, nagpaalam naman ako kay Miles. Nag-ask ako sa kanya kung okay lang na mag-skirt dun sa pupuntahan namin for brunch. Sabi niya okay lang. As long as hindi super iksi yung skirt. So yung skirt ko naman, hindi siya super iksi. Pero, umakit lang ako ulit. Kasi sabi niya, kung meron akong scarf, I should get it para at least pang-cover ng legs. So, ayan. Anyways, bababa na ulit ako. Ayan. So, nadadaanan natin now. Ano ito? Corniche na may bus. Sorry. Hindi kasama yan sa blocking. So, dyan yung Corniche effect. And yun yung Qatar skyline. Tama ba?
Yeah.
When are we gonna see that?
When we go to the main city.
Okay. So, ayan. Ay, mag-good morning ka pala.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Ayan, so, pwede daw mag-skirt kasi saan tayo magpa-brunch?
Santa Monica Breakfast Club.
There, ay breakfast club. Anong structure yun? Nasa background mo?
Bahay ng hari.
Ah, talaga? Hindi mo man lang sinabi.
Oh, I forgot. I'm sorry. I was driving around. Hello, naglalami ka na.
Bahay na hari yun?
Yeah, I think it's the palace. Parang Malacanang ng Pilipinas.
Okay. Uniform niya kasi diretso na siyang work later. Yan.
And your destination will be on the right.
So, ayan. Nagpa-valley lang kami. And we're here na. Wait. Hi, Miss. We're late for the breakfast buffet, but we can do a la carte naman. So, yan. Mag-check na lang kami ng menu, what we can order ng a la carte. But, just to give you an idea, that's their buffet. Nagliligpit na sila. Place is really cute. No. Try the hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Is it good? Okay, try this. What's that? Iced tea na?
Pomegranate something. With mint and I don't know.
But it's good, no? Ito, okay lang. This is the pan con chicharon. And that's the Highlander.
Yay!
Yan, we shall see. Sarap-sarap nung sweet potato fries. Yan. Tapos, itong sandwich na to. What's inside is beef brisket. Yeah. Looks good. But I can't eat the ibabaw na bread. Sa mga sandwich, I really don't eat yung ibabaw eh. Kaya humingi ako ng plate. And then doon, yeah, eggs, bacon dyan, no?
Yeah. Smoked bacon. Look at the rest.
I wanna know if it's good.
It's too big. That's the problem.
True. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, wag na tayo mag-order pa ng more eh.
That's good.
Sarap.
Really.
But I wanna know kung tender yung beef. Ah, sarap. Try mo.
Really?
Try na. Sarap.
Taste mo lang.
Sarap yung bacon.
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab it. So this is bacon and what's this? Ah, parang nabasa ko sausage eh.
Oh, really? I don't know.
Parang sausage McMuffin-ish. Okay lang rin na hindi tayo nag-buffet, no? Heavy nito eh. Kakain lang kami. Ang ganda ng toilet nila. Oh. Hi! Parang sink ko lang sa bahay. CR na! Ano? Ang ganda ng CR. Hindi nakapag-toilet. Kinarir. Talaga? Grabe. Ganito rin naman hotel sa Manila. Pero, ang ganda nga lang. So, yan. We're done eating. So, hindi ko alam saan kami pupunta next. Wait, yung baby bangs ko. Ayan. Hindi yan special. Wala lang yan dito.
Yeah, I don't have any idea, but why they built the shit here.
But I love it. It's so nice.
Other than that, the idea what it's for.
Guys, kung may alam kayo, ano ibig sabihin itong ring na to, pakisabi. Hey guys, so ayan. I'm here now sa Villagio kasi banda dito yung work ni Miles. So, may work siya ngayon. Tapos, chichika ko lang after namin kumain kanina, nag-mall kami. Tapos, di ba naka-skirt ako? Nag-pants na ako. Kasi, mayroong kumindot sa akin. Tapos sabi ni Miles, ayan na, masanay ka na. So, magpalit ka lang ng pants para hindi lapitin sa mga ganong issue. So, ayan. Nag-pants na ako. Para safe. Or next time kung mag-skirt man ako, I think better kung may leggings under, ganun. So anyway, mag-iikot lang tayo here sa Villagio kung anong meron. And then probably settle for some coffee. And then probably tambay lang. Ganyan. Explore the mall. Ang ganda ng mall nila, in fairness. And yung gondola here inside the mall. So, hanggang doon siya. I think iikutin niya yung mall ng ganyan. Ano natin. So cute. It's very similar dun sa BGC, yung Venice. Ayan, ganyan siya. So, ayan, hanggang doon siya. Iikutin niya yung mall. Ayan. Ganyan. It's cute. Galing. came here without a belt, so we need to get a belt. I'm confused if I'm gonna get the black one or this one na terno with my shoe. So, ano mas bagay? Hi! Thank you! Thank you! Bye-bye! Ciao! Maghanap na tayo ng where I can stay for coffee, I guess. In fairness, okay, mas mura kasi yung Gucci here than sa States and sa ibang countries. Na-check ko na. Remember, nung nasa Korea, pumila pa ako for Gucci and LV. Tapos, same lang ng price sa States na website. Here, mas mura siya ng konti. So, yan. Tip! Kung magpunta kayo ng Middle East. Well, alam na namang iba yun. Pero, yeah. Ayan. So, andito lang ako sa coffee shop. So, may office opisinahan ako dyan. Char. Mag-edit ako ng videos. So, dito tayo sa corner. Yan. Mag-edit ako ng video and makikill nung tayo. Dito muna tayo for now. Yay! Ayan na yung the torch. Ang ganda niya. Ayan siya. Tapos na ang work. Nice. And ngayon, pupunta kami ng Ikea. So, siguro, I'm gonna close this vlog na here. Kasi malulubat na rin yung camera. I forgot to bring battery. But, ayun. Bukas na lang ulit or next time na lalabas kami. Ayan. And again, thank you for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, just put them in the comment box below.